Once upon a time, a king told his men to put a big rock in the middle of the road. On the order of the king, his soldier placed a rock in the middle of the way. After this, the king himself went and hid behind the bushes and started observing the people coming in the way. He wanted to see whether anyone will try to remove this rock from the way or not. Many rich traders and courtiers of the state passed through that road, but no one tried to remove that rock. Everyone went through it. Many people blamed king for not keeping the road clean, but none of them tried to remove the rock from the path. One day a farmer was passing through that path with his basket of vegetable. After seeing that rock, he put his basket down and started pushing that stone. After trying too long and after getting hurt, he somehow removed the rock from here. After this, when he turned back to take his vegetables, he saw a bundle which was placed on the place of that rock. Little wonder to the farmer when he picked up that bundle and saw that bundle was filled with gold coins. And among these coins there was a piece of paper on which the message of the king was written that this gold will belong to the person who will remove that rock from the path. So, dear friends, difficulties which occurs in life are literally an opportunity which helps us to develop ourselves, an opportunity which helps to develop our situations where some people complain about seeing these difficulties and give up. At the same time, others create opportunity for themselves. No matter how much difficulties come in your way, but not a single person loses until they give up fighting. When your life becomes a repository of disappointments due to those things which are not under our control, when you start blaming God and others and start wondering why this happens to me only, then just remember this one thing, that conditions would more worse and you are still alive. Humans heartbeat at least 4,000 in 1 hour, and every single time it gives proof that you are still alive. And being alive means living your life in your own terms. You can't control others, you even can't control the situations, but you can control yourself. Take action and change your life. In your life, there is not a single problem, but there are challenges. Overcome them. Face your challenges, face your problems. Treat them as an opportunity, because if you will not remove the rock from the middle of road, you will never get the bag of gold coins. Stay blessed, stay happy.